It's pretty much undeniable that nutrition works best when it comes from nature. But in an effort to save time and a couple of dollars, we've too often cut corners and cheated our bodies with synthetic alternatives that simply can't stand up to what our complex bodies want. Nutrition from natural, real food sources. At Manitech, we understand the importance of nutrients from nature. That's why we created Real Food Technology Solutions, a decidedly different approach to supplementation. Simply put, we use science not to create nutrition, but rather to capture it. And as far as your body is concerned, this approach makes all the difference. This commitment to real nutrition has produced a single product that is transcending the supplement industry as we know it today. Its name? Nutraveris Powder. It brings together the best of Manitech's technologies into one simple, affordable, and naturally advanced nutritional solution to create what is the very evolution of supplementation itself.
Customers are looking for simple solutions. Life is complicated. You know, people have a lot of things that they're doing these days. You know, a lot of people are overworked. You know, they've got family responsibilities, they've got job responsibilities, and they're looking for something simple that they can take care of their nutritional requirements in one simple step.
Nutraveris is derived from two words, nutrition and the Latin word veris, which means real or true. So Nutraveris Powder is real nutrition, nutrition the way your body wants it. Nutraveris Powder has 4 distinct pillars of nutrition, each sourced from real food, that each address different needs. Everything starts with glyconutrients, an exciting breakthrough area of nutrition that Manitech discovered and pioneered more than 15 years ago. Glyconutrients, or nature's sugars, are plant polysaccharides that have been shown to help support the body on a cellular level. Your cells need these sugars to communicate properly and work their best. From bolstering your immune function to supporting brain function, glyconutrients deliver where other supplements fall short. Simply put, when your cells talk, your body listens. Nutraveris Powder then provides essential vitamins and minerals sourced from plants and real food. Most supplements source their ingredients from coal tar, petroleum, and rocks. Not Nutraveris Powder. The hydroponic technology used to standardize the plant-sourced minerals in Nutraveris Powder is the first and only of its kind. This process makes it possible to not only include food-sourced nutrients in Nutraveris Powder, but also to verify their amounts. No other vitamin-mineral product can make that promise. Antioxidants are vital to good health and longevity. Nutraveris Powder supplies a potent blend of fruit and vegetable-sourced antioxidants to help protect your cells, tissues, and organs against the attacks from free radicals and stress. This powerful blend is designed to keep you active and help protect your body from the effects of stress and premature aging. Finally, the foundation of Nutraveris Powder is rooted in the very birth of vitamins themselves, stabilized rice bran. This nutrient-dense, real food base and emerging superfood captures the most nutritious parts of the kernel that are otherwise stripped away during the milling process. Only recently has science discovered a way to stabilize the nutritional goodness in rice bran. This single component offers a wide array of fatty acids, phytosterols, glyconutrients, fibers, and many other nutrients. Alongside the standardized rice bran, Nutraveris Powder also boasts a nutrient-dense, real food base of organic fruits and vegetables, providing the whole food matrix your body seeks out for maximum nutritional synergies to occur. Never before has such a robust health supplement been available. The result? Energy-boosting, immune system-supporting nutrition the way your body wants it.
Well, I think the reason that Nutraveris is such a unique product is that it allows us to take sort of the core components from our primary patented technologies. It sort of encapsulates everything that we've done over the last 15 years. It takes all of the core of those technologies and puts it into one product.
Nutraveris Powder is loaded with the most unique, most advanced nutritional profile found in a single product today. You'd have to buy at least 3 different supplements just to approach the variety of nutrients found in Nutraveris Powder, and they still wouldn't come close. So you're not only getting superior nutrition, but also incomparable value and convenience, all in one product. Better still, it has a flavor you won't even notice, and that's the point. You can mix it easily into virtually any food or drink without altering the taste. Add it to your shake or juice, or sprinkle it into your favorite dinner. Sneak it into even the pickiest kids' meals to get them natural, effective nutrition, whether they know it or not. Nutriveris powder makes it easy to boost the nutrition of any meal you eat. It's nutrition so advanced, it's simple.
Well, we believe the delivery system of leaving it in a powder gives us a lot of options for our consumer base out there. I know in my family it's hard to get our kids to swallow pills, for instance. So blending it into their food makes a great new delivery system to ensure that they get proper nutritional support every day of their life.
Great thing about it is it's natural nutrition. So the nutrients that are in there, the vitamins, the minerals, the antioxidants, the glyconutrients, the food matrix, it's all natural sourced. And so people can feel good about the nutrition that they're getting and what they're putting into food. Basically, you're putting back into food after preparation what had been stripped away during the food processing and the preparation process.
You can also earn discounts on your order, or even get it free, just for sharing Nutriveris powder with your friends and family. All you have to do is become a member with our 4 free discount program. To learn more, just go to ChooseReal.com today. Saving money isn't the only added benefit that makes Nutriveris powder so amazing. You can also help nourish a child with our Give for Real program. With every purchase of Nutriveris placed on auto order, a portion of your purchase will send PhytoBlend powder to malnourished children through Manna Relief, a non-profit organization.
We have the opportunity to radically impact malnutrition in the world today. 500 million people in the world take a synthetically made dietary supplement. If just 1% of that existing marketplace switched to our real food solution, gosh, we could link 5 million consumers with 5 million children in need. And if 10% switched, we could change the world.
The time has come for Nutriveris powder. Advanced, affordable nutrition from nature, the way your body wants it.